Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform, and here is a very big news for all of you. Soon we are starting new batch courses. Okay, one of my batch course is starting for the revision of inorganic chemistry. If you are preparing for CSIR NET, you will know that there is an exam on 29th of January. Okay, so there are 2 months left. So we have decided to launch a new batch course, full revision course of the inorganic chemistry. Here we will see full revision with the PYQS. Okay, previous year questions. We will solve that questions. We will see quick revision. All the things you will see here. Okay, this batch course is starting from 8th of December. Okay, and the next batch course that we are starting is starting from 2nd of December, and this is for the chemistry of coordination compounds, chemistry of transition metals. Okay, so here we will discuss about the coordination chemistry. All the subject we will discuss from the beginning. Okay, so you will see all the type of questions from the previous year and from the good books also. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching the test series for the incoming January 2022 CSIR NET exam. Okay, so as the exam is very close to you, so we should see some more questions. Okay, so here I have taken the questions from December 2020's question paper. Okay, these two questions and with the concept clearance. Okay, we will see the questions with the concept clearance. So see here, what is the concept here? The concept is the nu CO frequency, the nu CO band in the case of the metal carbonyls. Okay, so see here, the expected number of nu CO bands in the IR spectra of facial MOPPS3 whole thrice CO whole thrice and trans MOPPS3 whole twice CO whole 4 are. We have given two different compounds and we have to find out how many new CO bands, okay, how many IR CO bands we will get. So we have given two different isomers. Okay, one is given to us is the face MOPPS3 whole thrice CO whole thrice. This compound is given to us. Okay, so see its structure. Molybdenum will be the central atom. Okay, and this is an octahedral compound. You can see facial isomer is given to us. Okay, so 3 CO will be present in this manner, right? And 3 PPS3 ligands will be present in this manner. Okay, so you can see here that this is an octahedral complex. Okay, and this CO is axial. Okay, this is at axial position and these two are equatorial. Okay, so equatorial will be same type. Okay, so we are getting the same type of stretching frequency for these two. Okay, and while for this we will get an and for this we will get a different frequency band. Okay, so in this case we are getting two new CA frequency bands. Okay, one for the axial and one for the equatorial. Okay, see the next compound that is given to us is trans molybdenum PPS3 whole twice CO whole 4. Okay, this is given to us. This is again an octahedral complex 6 coordinated. Molybdenum would be the central metal atom. Okay, and here we have given this is trans. It means two PPS3 ligands will be at the trans position to each other in this manner. Okay, and 4 CO will be equatorial. Okay, now you can see that all the CO are the equatorial. It means all are same. Okay, all will be same. So we are getting a same frequency for all of them. Okay, we are getting the same frequency. So same CO band we are getting. It means in total we are getting one new CO band. Okay, so the answer for this question will be option number 3. For this we are getting two bands and for this we are getting one band. Right? Now see the next question. Alright, now see this question, the correct order of metal carbon distances. Again this question is from December 2020 question paper. Now we have given three different compounds, Fe eta 5 Cp whole twice, CO eta 5 Cp whole twice, Ni eta 5 Cp whole twice. You can see these are the compounds, sandwich compounds. These are the example of sandwich compounds. These are of this type. Okay, this is the cyclopentadienyl ring to which this iron is attached. Okay, and this is the again another cyclopentadienyl ring. In this manner, this is called the ferrocene. Okay, so about ferrocene I have already made a video. If you want some more details, you can watch that video. Okay, but here we have to just answer the question and understand the concept. So these are the sandwiched compounds. Similar structure will be for the this cobalt complex. Okay, and similar structure will be for the nickel complex. Okay, so now see here, in this compound, in iron complex ferrocene, you can see two cyclopentadienyl rings are present. Okay, so 10 electrons from them and 8 electrons from the iron, so total 18 electrons are present in this complex. In this complex CO complex, the number of electrons will be 10 plus 9, so 19 electrons are present, right? And in this nickel complex, the number of electrons will be 10 plus 10, it means 20 electrons are present here, right? So you can see that the number of electrons is increasing here. Okay, here all the electrons are present in the bonding orbital. Now here the next electrons goes in the anti-bonding orbital. Okay, here the electrons are going in the anti-bonding orbital, and again here one electron is present in the anti-bonding orbital, and here two electrons are present in the anti-bonding orbital. Here one electron is present in the anti-bonding orbital, and whenever the number of electrons in the anti-bonding orbital increases, then it will decrease the bond order, right? So bond order is decreasing in this order. Fe Cp whole twice. In this case, the bond order will be highest, and then for the CO complex, and then for the nickel complex. Okay, so the bond length, this is the order of bond order. Okay, now see if the bond length we are seeing, then for this the order will be opposite of it. Okay, so this will be the order. Right, now you can match what is the correct answer. The correct answer for this, you can see here, is this one. Okay, option number 4. Okay, this is the right answer. This will have the highest bond length, and then this, and then this. Okay, so in this way you have to do the questions. Okay, if you are liking the videos, please comment us. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.